Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today, again, this is my second video of 2022 and I'm super excited to share with you guys the unboxing of the Xiaomi 12 Pro that I just got here in Malaysia. Now bear in mind that this is not actually the official version to land here in Malaysia. I got mine shipped directly from China, and just in terms of pricing, this device here is approximately 3,000 ringgit, including the shipping costs and all that. And my version here is actually the base variant with just 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. Alright, so like I mentioned, some of you guys out there, I heard that some people are just feeling that the smartphone is just getting boring with all their new releases, but I beg to differ because I'm very excited for this guy right here. Now bear in mind that the 12 Pro actually came in 4 different colors. There is the green, the blue, there is also the purple, and mine is the black here. The reason why I went with this black version here is because I'm not too fond of those pastelish kind of colors. That means those kind of light blue, light green, all those kind of colors. I'm not too fond of that. And because I actually plan to use this phone right here for the next few months, that is why I chose the black. Alright, so now done with the introduction. Of course, if you could just like this video, sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this, that would be very awesome. Right, let's go and unbox this device right away. There is actually a pull tab at the back here, but yeah, let's just see if it really works. And there we go. So just peeling off the plastics right in front of the camera. And that's out of the way. I'm very excited to see what comes in the box. And okay, so first and foremost, of course, you get this Xiaomi thing here, which I think actually houses the transparent case. Let's see if they actually give us a transparent case again. Yes, it actually comes with the same transparent case here. We've got some manuals in the box as well, but I'm going to show you the case because that's what unboxings are for, right? So here we go, the typical very cheap feeling transparent case. I'm going to put that down for now. And of course, we do have the star of the show, guys. This is the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Of course, I have to take a look at it myself first before showing it to the camera. But yeah, we'll put that down for now because we want to see what else came in the box. Naturally, we do have a large 120 watt fast charge charger. So if you remember in the previous year for the Mi 11, I think Xiaomi actually removed the charger from the box. But guess what? It's back, the 120 watts charger. And last but not least, we also have the Type-C cable in the box. There's nothing else in the box. That's it, guys. That's literally it. Alright, so we're going to unwrap the Xiaomi 12 Pro here in front of you guys as well. We do have the new Xiaomi logo here, of course. And let's just see this very quickly. Alright, we got that out of the way, and of course I'm going to remove that hideous sticker at the back. So this, guys, this is how the Xiaomi 12 Pro looks like. On first impressions, I think this actually reminds me of the current phone that I'm using right now, and that is actually the OnePlus Nord 2 right here. It looks very similar actually. In terms of the back materials, yes, we have here a matte material at the back. You can actually feel the logo at the back here as well. I'm not sure what kind of texture that is, but very smooth kind of matte materials at the back. So if you notice for other brands, I do have another matte black device right here. This is the Vivo V23. This one actually has a lot of texture at the back. It's very glittery and all that. But for the Xiaomi 12 Pro, it is a very clean back panel, totally blacked out, and I love that. In fact, we also have a very smooth, I'm not sure what kind of materials, probably aluminum kind of a camera bump, which actually is also very smooth. But what I want to actually highlight here is the kind of sensors that we have on the back. So if you notice, the main sensor here is massive, guys. This is the latest 50 megapixel IMX 707 from Sony. Apparently it's a huge sensor over here, so I'm going to be doing a couple of tests. I'm super excited to check out the camera here because, you know, I like to take a lot of photographs with my smartphone. Apart from that, you also have another 50 megapixel ultra wide, and there is also a final 50 megapixel portrait kind of lens. So altogether here we have 50, 50, 50, so that makes 150 megapixels on the back sensor. Alright guys, so now that we have done taking a look at the back panel of the device, let's take a look at the rest of the device. Now on the top here, I do notice that we have a stereo speaker, so one at the top and obviously one also at the bottom. Again, this is actually tuned by Harman Kardon, so we can expect some pretty good audio. Now moving down to the bottom once more, we actually see that we have the Type-C port, and obviously there is no sign of the headphone jack around at all. Now on the right hand side here, we do have a volume rocker together with the lock button, and on the left it's completely clean with no buttons whatsoever. Alright, now we're going to flip the device to the front here and check out the display. We do have a very nice 6.73-inch AMOLED display that's refreshed at 120 Hz, and the best part about this is actually that the display here is a 2K display, and it's got a DisplayMate A+ rating. So that basically means that this is an awesome looking display. Bear in mind that the display does curve a little bit on the sides, on the left and right, so it is a curved display over here. Some of you might not actually like the curved display, but overall I think that the curve is actually quite minimal so that you don't actually have accidental touches on the left and right. Now done with the display, let's cover a little bit more of the specifications, because that's actually one of the strongest points of the Xiaomi 12 Pro. For just 3,000 ringgit here, you're getting a lot of specifications on this device. So let's start off very quickly. We do have the Snapdragon latest processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So this is supposedly slightly better than the Snapdragon 888. Apart from that, you also have a UFS 3.1 RAM, you have LPDDR5 storage inside here, so everything is going to be super quick. Another thing that you should also note here is that in terms of the battery power, we do have a 4,600 mAh battery, which is actually fairly large, not the largest for sure. It weighs about 205 grams, so it's not that heavy as well. But those are basically the notable specifications that you probably might need to know. Alright guys, so that's it for today's quick look at the Xiaomi 12 Pro, the unboxing and all that. I'm super excited to start testing and reviewing this device, so stay tuned for this in a couple of days where I will release the full review. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a like, sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody, bye!